Emergencies don't wait for you to be ready. Whether it is a fire, gas leak, or another threat, a safe evacuation can mean the difference between life and death. Let's make sure you are prepared. Hello and welcome back to My Safety Hub, your go-to source for all things health and safety. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to leave the video a like and to click that subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Today we are tackling the SOP for evacuating in general. This SOP provides comprehensive guidelines for everyone in a building, equipping them with the knowledge and procedures necessary for a safe and efficient evacuation. All SOPs start with a scope and purpose. This SOP applies to all occupants, employees, visitors, contractors in the event of a fire emergency. It outlines the steps for a safe and effective evacuation, from the initial alarm or fire discovery to reaching the assembly point. The overreaching goals are to ensure the safety of all occupants, minimize panic and confusion, and foster a fire-safe culture. Next is Section 2, Authority and Responsibility. Clear responsibilities are crucial. The designated authority or department, such as the fire safety officer or emergency response team leader, holds the ultimate responsibility for implementing and enforcing this SOP, ensuring it complies with all regulations. Management provides resources, training, and ensures everyone understands their roles. Fire wardens or floor wardens guide and assist occupants in their designated areas, ensuring accountability at the assembly point and providing support to those who need it. Occupants are responsible for knowing this SOP, reacting calmly to the alarm, evacuating orderly, assisting others if safe, and reporting to their assembly points. And lastly, our safety officers assist with SOP development, provide guidance, and conduct inspections, all while investigating incidents as well. Let's move on to Section 3, the Risk Assessment Summary. This section meticulously identifies potential hazards and assesses associated risks, implementing necessary control measures. We are talking about behavioral risks like improper evacuations conducted, poor planning, incorrect stairway use, horseplay, and hysteria. Chemical hazards like smoke inhalation, environmental hazards such as noise, poor lighting and ventilation. Fire-related risks including explosions, heat and flames. Physical hazards like falling objects, structural collapse, bumping and shoving, moving vehicles, poor building integrity, rough surfaces, sharp edges, missing handrails, protruding objects and wet floors. Each hazard is assigned a risk level, allowing for focused mitigation strategies. Let's have a look at one of the highest risks, a behavioral hazard. Lack of contractor or visitor competence in evacuation processes. Irresponsible evacuation or ignorance causing an incident and injury to themselves or others, resulting in possible penetration wounds, possible fractures, possible burn trauma, possible multiple fatalities, and possible legal liability. Next is Section 4, the required PPE. Proper personal protective equipment is essential. This SOP recommends hearing protection, foot protection, reflective vest, hard hat, and respiratory protection. The type of PPE used might vary based on the specific situation and potential hazards. Then we have Section 5, our task description. This section breaks down the evacuation processes into 3 stages. First is our pre-task checks, familiarizing yourself with the evacuation plan, escape routes, alarm, and assembly points. Regularly checking for obstructions, testing emergency lighting, attending fire safety training, communicating the plan with others, considering personal needs that may require assistance, and preparing for evacuation by keeping essential items readily accessible. This SOP also stresses the importance of listening for the fire alarm and being mentally prepared. Next is conducting the task, reacting calmly to the alarm, evacuating promptly and orderly, assisting others if safe, using stairways cautiously, avoiding lifts, proceeding to the assembly point, reporting to the fire warden, remaining at the assembly point and maintaining clear communication throughout. Lastly, we have our post-task checks. These crucial steps include accountability checks, ensuring everyone is present, attending debriefings, reviewing and revising the evacuation plan, inspecting escape routes, checking fire doors and exits, verifying emergency lighting, inspecting the assembly point, reporting any incidents, reviewing personal performance and providing feedback. Housekeeping tasks emphasize maintaining clear escape routes, securing loose items, cleaning spills, providing good lighting, keeping fire doors closed, maintaining tidy workspaces, storing flammables safely, and conducting regular building inspections. This also covers signage and fire exit maintenance. Next we have section 6, our control measures. This section outlines the control measures designed to minimize the risks associated with evacuation. These can include engineering controls, employing equipment like evacuation alarms, dry chemical powder extinguishers, fire hose reels, first aid boxes, and ensuring proper lighting. Isolation controls, using barriers and handrails to guide and protect during evacuation. Administrative controls, appointing key personnel, electrical installation controllers, emergency evacuation controllers, emergency evacuation floor marshals, evacuation inspectors, fire equipment inspector, fire team members, first aiders, health and safety representatives. Utilizing certificates and documentation, conducting regular inspections, maintaining registers, and employing safe operating procedures, including safety signage related to fire equipment, first aid, general directions, breathing apparatus, assembly points, escape routes, hygiene, noise levels, and wet floor warnings. And lastly, we have our final section of the SOP. These final sections cover related documentations, the importance of reviewing and updating the SOP, mandatory training procedures for all relevant personnel, keeping records of incidents, tracking revisions to the document, and ensuring proper communication and understanding of the SOP. A well-defined fire evacuation procedure is vital for workplace safety. This SOP provides the roadmap to a swift, orderly, and above all, safe evacuation. By understanding and adhering to the guidelines, we can all contribute to a safer working environment. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found today's video helpful, please leave it a like and share it with your colleagues. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button as to never miss another My Safety Hub video. Leave us a comment down below if you have any questions or insights you'd like us to share. And as always, stay safe, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.